Hello, I'm here today to talk about Walt Disney. Walter Elias Disney was an American animator, voice actor, and film producer. He was born in Chicago in 1901, and he developed an early interest in drawing. He took art classes as a boy and got a job as a commercial illustrator at the age of 18. He moved to California in the early 20s and set up the Disney Brothers studio with his brother Roy. Some examples of his most popular successes are, of course, Mickey Mouse, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Pinocchio, Dumbo, and Cinderella. Disney had the idea to create a theme park with rides and entertainment based on his movie. This park was called Disneyland and it was opened in 1955. It cost 17 million to build it, dollars, and the park was a huge success, and it is still one of the most popular vacation destinations all over the world. Mm, Disney would later have the idea to build an even larger park in Orlando, Florida, called Walt Disney World, and he worked on the plans but died before the park opened in 1971. He died in 1966 in Los Angeles, California. I think he was such a creative person who had the ability to imagine characters and bring them to life almost literally. His career is full of hard work and dedication. He knew from an early age that he was born to do what he done. Since he was a child, he had this passion for drawing and animation, and uh, I think that he followed his dreams to create all the world he has created, and is such a success, provided that he's already that his world of movies, characters is full of magic, and people enjoy a lot visiting these places because they take you away from the reality and make you feel like a child again, like you don't have any responsibilities. And this was all thanks to his hard work, and he followed his dreams no matter what the people said. And this is what he made by himself with the help of the people. He was lucky to find the correct people who recognized his talent and he gave him the help he needed to be the person who became him. Thank you.